Here he is, opening his box.
Awesome.
Alexander, what's the name of this box?
The Espy non-zero gravity. What is this? Oh, cool. I don't know what this is.
What else is in the box?
Oh, I gotta put it on.
One at a time.
Oh, a gym shirt.
Ooh,
Nice.
that looks
Oh,
really nice.
you'll
Yeah,
wear
I need
that.
some of these.
Let me see that. That's cool.
The gym shirt.
You'll love that. What does it say on it? Anything?
It says
On the back.
NZG. And then it has a cool logo on the side.
Okay.
It's pretty soft. Oh, whoa.
Happy
Sure,
birthday to
feel
your neck.
good. Happy birthday to your neck.
Oh, it's to roll on your neck
Freaking
when you're working
awesome.
out.
And there's some pretzels, chili lime, smoky cheddar bacon.
Ooh, you like those?
Yeah, this is really cool. Super drink, energize. I haven't seen this before.
That's
It's
cool.
freaking cool.
That's very cool. What's that?
Oh, deodorant,
Good.
Duke Cannon,
Anti-perspirant?
Duke Cannon deodorant. Oh,
No.
another one of these Hibbo energy drinks.
Nice,
These are
Alexander.
really cool.
What's that?
Socks, and it's golf underwear.
And you're a golfer, so that's perfect.
That's awesome. Thanks.
Don't allow you on the course it does.
Yeah,
Alexander, do you have anything to say about this box?
that's really cool. I'm really excited about it. Thank you.
Love it. What a great concept.